I'm Gia, your feminine style guide. Subscribe for more feminine style, outfit ideas, and inner and outer beauty. Follow my LTK at Gia G. Dixon, where I post feminine style ideas 13 times a day, and sign up to my newsletter for weekly outfit ideas, sales, and glow up tips. Hello lovelies, my name is Gia. Subscribe now if you are new for more feminine styles and inner and outer beauty. Here are cardigans that we're gonna go over. I have this Shein haul, and they're perfect for spring transition wear, you know, when it's hot in the sun, cold in the shade, and you can layer with them obviously with dresses, and I prefer tank tops underneath because you'll see here I don't like visible sweat, like a dark spot. Even if you're just like this, people can still see the sweat even if you don't do this. So I just think that's really just deeply unattractive. Yeah, it happens. I sweat a lot. I'm a really sweaty person. That's why I say this. That's why I am strategic about dressing in a certain formula. And so I am a huge fan. The very first cardigan I'm going to show you, I'm actually wearing it because I thought it's so lovely. It fits me well. And I have to say, it's the only one in this whole haul that fits me the best. So how I like for things to fit, so it feels comfortable, I can move in it. It's very easy to move in. Like, you know, when material is stiff with Shein, it can be definitely a gamble, where the material is like super stiff and cheap, and especially with rib knit material, you have to put it in the dryer very carefully, or you don't put it in the dryer and just hang it to dry. A lot of my stuff I hang to dry anyway. I'm a huge fan of the two-tone because I think this is so chic ever since. So I like the two different, even if it's two different designs, even if it's just two different colors, like if it's one is tartan or tatterwall and one is pinstripe, or if it looks like two shirts cut in half and sewn together, I think that's really cute. I think that's super chic and on trend, and this is perfect for layering, and like you can take more selfies, like different you can take even more content for Instagram if you are a person who likes to show off your fashion, and it looks like you're wearing two different outfits if you just have a profile shot. But I think this is super chic. It looks really put together and expensive in a really high-end way. So I'm not out here trying to look expensive. I just like to look put together. This is really polished and sophisticated, I feel like. It looks like a really refined way to have two tones. And I know it's like you have to carefully do it. And I think this is a great style for spring. And I have a few more cardigans just like this. I love this because this not only fits the best, it's comfortable. I reach up and it doesn't completely go up and like reveal a lot. There are a lot of cardigans in here that are for the spring styles and the spring trends that are currently going on right now. Just transition wear is just so important first and foremost, because you have to like layer carefully in the spring, because you want to wear a skirt, it's time to wear a color. It's important to incorporate color into your wardrobe to feminize it and to really soften your style. I put this on and I couldn't stop smiling because yellow is one of those colors where it's like you cannot be upset in yellow. I think cardigans are just more feminine as to wearing a structured blazer or a structured jacket. This is like very Easter, very soft baby green, but with a lot of blue mixed in, and it's a tie front. So I think tie fronts are super on trend. This is definitely a thicker one. I like to call Ivy League. Like Ivy League sweatshirts are drop shoulders like this, and I think this is super cute, like with a collared shirt, like for that preppy look. I have videos about spring trends to keep versus avoid this year, and also Parisian spring approved trends. I have a very specific criteria for cardigans though. They have to be the right length because I'm petite, and like if they're longer I'll still wear them, but they look like they drown me. For you petite women, you understand. This is really cute. It's oversized because of the drop shoulder. It's very like loose fitting. Not like loose fitting, but it feels like those Ivy League sweatshirts. That's the only thing I can compare it to, like a French terry sweatshirt, a pullover. This is obviously a layer piece because it's so loose, and you can wear this with jeans. I see this with jeans and a white shirt or even a polo. I love this. It's like a robin's egg green, and I love the design and I love the ribbing around. It's really soft. I think if you put this over, it'll immediately elevate your style and also feminize it, because sweatshirts are very masculine. Also the color pastel, it's just like one of those things that immediately makes something softer. This is the pink version. So I love two-tone. I think of Stowed, but this is definitely for a fraction of the price. I think it was under $20. I got this for like $12 to $17 was like typically the price range for all these items that I got. And you can shop all the links below, don't forget. This color is super cute, just like this yellow one. However, it's just a little bit stiffer, but the other ones that I'm going to go into are really stiff. I like cardigans to be a bit more fitted, more flowing, more flattering on the body, and more draping. It's hard to do with material that isn't cashmere. I have a cashmere capsule wardrobe collection, and I'm gonna make a whole series on that. This is like very fresh and clean, I think, for spring, and I think you can definitely wear this color all year round. I love this for like as a February girl, pink and red, or any type of like two-tone together of pink or berry or red. I love statement things like this. I can afford to do this with my personality, I guess. It's a learning opportunity. You're trying something, you're experimenting, your mood changes, you're dynamic, you're a human being. So this is super cute with like a tennis skirt. I can totally see this with any type of like white skirt or even like a knit skirt. This is so comfy looking and comfy feeling. This one, I don't like the sizing. It's a bit larger, so if you want something that's more form-fitting, there is no size for you. That is, if you're extra small size US2, it's gonna look a little bit oversized on you. I wanted to love this, but I couldn't because I know I'm not gonna wear this a lot. Like, just the color combination, it just stresses me out because pink and blue together, I like it if it's separate, not if it's in one piece. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that. It's really cute, but I just don't love the color combination. I saw it online and I was like, I have to get it. It wasn't the model either. I knew that I can totally wear this. Like, if I keep this, I will wear the heck out of it. It's just the fit that bothers me. Draped on my body a little better if it wasn't oversized as a petite person. I'm not going for the oversized look, especially with this kind of cardigan. I really wanted it to be really hugging my body in the right places. But this one is really stiff. It's really oversized. I didn't like it, and I put it on and I was trying hard to like work it, but I couldn't. This one is a different style. This is actually a button that works, which is great, so that you can unclasp it, but it's one of those open cardigan looks, and this, I wanted to actually just wear this by itself as an open cardigan look, but I didn't like the material because it was like, it felt like wool, but it also feels like it can rip easily. So it feels like thin. It feels thin, it feels stiff. When I was wearing it, it was like, it felt stiff, like wearing a piece of cardboard, but it doesn't feel like cardboard, but when you put it felt like putting on felt, that's what it felt like. I wanted to like this because it has everything I like about an item aside from the color. And so I'm not a fan of like this dark beige, not the fit that I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit more drapey. It falls down nicely. This is like thick, like a fake wool, but it feels like if I like snag it on something, it's like for sure gonna rip. Another situation like the pink and blue cardigan, another two-tone. This is, I want to say like slate blue, a little darker than lavender, purple. So it's like purple and gray. I think it's gray or blue. I don't know. Slate blue and gray is like really close. So this is super cute, like for cool tones. I love cool tones. I think they make anybody with dark hair look really stunning, and the contrast, look at that. Ooh, like I'm wearing warm right now and I just look really tan, or when I look at this, I look like I could wear silver earrings and it would really pop, make my eyes and like hair pop. So this is really cute, but it's just oversized. I like to look a little bit uptight. That's perfectly okay to say. If I wanted to feminize something masculine, what I would do is play with the fit. Not that it was oversized, it looked ill-fitting. That's the difference. So it's like slightly just oversized enough to look like it was a mistake that I got the wrong size. Where when it's oversized, it looks exaggerated. Where this was like just a little bit big, so that it looks like it doesn't fit me well. Where when something's oversized, it looks like, oh yeah, she's borrowing her boyfriend's sweater. It's like not cropped and fitted enough, and then it's also not large enough, so it's just ill-fitting. Oh, this one cardigan. This is this is just a layering cardigan. It's super cute. It has navel buttons. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of these on a cardigan because I think cardigan buttons should be simple and just like a little thick, this little thing. Like for example, like this. I think that's perfect. This is really intense and I think it doesn't match the style, but I love the actual design of it. So I am overlooking that because it's really drapey. I love anything that's like macrame, like crochet style, and I think crochet cardigans are the cutest in spring and summer. So like it looks really romantic and soft and feminine because I would go on dates in like the middle of summer, where at night it would just be a little bit, it would be cool enough that you need a layer or a possible layer, but it's not hot, it's not cold enough that you need like a thick cardigan. So what I would wear is like crochet, like literally it looks like a net, and I would just like wear it like a shawl and just tie it, like physically tie it, and it looks so romantic. And this is a very refined version of that. When it's like fitted here, I like this because I think it makes you look smaller at the wrist and draws attention. When you have something fitted at your wrist, it really looks dainty, and same with this in the middle, ribbing in the middle because it makes your waist look cinched. And I think this is really perfect for if like you just want to drape something over you because it's just a little bit cold. It's spring and summer at night. Well, in summer specifically, this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is definitely a must have. So go into the link in the description, get this now, because you're gonna wear this with everything all summer long. You're gonna be like, Gia was right. Oh my gosh, this is light enough that like I'm not sweating like crazy, but my outfit can still breathe and be seen and I look cute. So it's really flattering and it just drapes perfectly. This material is so soft. It's super stretchy. I love it. And well, it's not like super stretchy, like you don't want to stretch it too much, but it'll still look good. That's the thing. Like, just don't have it on high heat in the dryer. If you do dry, I will just hang dry and just wash on low heat. So just as a heads up, I have a bunch of hauls coming up, so subscribe now. One for J.Crew, for Nordstrom, for Shein, for ASOS, for Express, for Aerie. I have even more coming up because I haven't shopped for 2.5 years, and this is the time. It's spring and summer. I also have 7 weekly outfits every single week coming out now for videos, and you can get them straight to your inbox if you sign up to the newsletter in the link below. I have glow up tips, feminine style inspiration, a bunch of sales. Everybody's eating it up. I'm getting all these DMs, all these responses that are very positive, and everybody is really excited. I have another video. I have tons of videos just coming out real soon. I have my work cut out for me, and I'm really excited to share. Oh, I have a Dune London haul. Oh my gosh, it's like iconic. You have to see that for neutral, classic, and feminine style. Follow me on Like to Know It at Gia Dixon. If you don't know what it is, it's a free app that you can download where you can shop my style. You just press a picture and then you can shop like the outfit I'm wearing. Literally, it will take you to the direct link to the store. If you don't know what Like to Know It is, if not, you can just visit my blog, Gia Dixon, and there's all the items you'll see are linked below, and check out the links to shop at my styles. They're also linked in the description. I hope you enjoyed the 7 weekly outfits and also cardigans that I really love for spring and summer. Just sign up to my newsletter and you'll get everything and you'll see what I mean. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.